Welcome to the mix. And on the mix today, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is sending a message to the landlord Erica, and this is what she has to say. Now, I will not tell you what she has to say. You have to go ahead, catch the video to hear what Marcia has to say about this situation surrounding the landlord Erica. Now, guys, for those of you that are having a birthday today, I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout the year. And I want to wish you a happy, happy, happy birthday. And for all my subscribers, my friends, my followers, my family, for you all, I just want to wish you a wonderful, wonderful day. Keep in touch with your reality, always doing things in the manner or the way that you think it should be done. Don't overstep in any way and always do. Now, do good. Now, people are going to bother you in this life because that is what people tend to do. And we all will have struggles with people. People will come at us, they'll try to attack us, but we have to try to find a way to ignore them at times, because the more energy that we give to them is the more energy that they'll try to take from us. And this is about us being, you know, just listening to ourselves sometimes and not, overthinking. Sometimes these people come into our life to uproot things that are sometimes there or sometimes it's not there. So what we have to do is to be conscious of the fact that people will come in our lives to cause misery. People will come in our lives to cause conflict, but we have to step away at times and not answer, because sometimes the only thing that keeps fueling them is the fact that we keep answering them and giving them the fuel to continue to burn a fire on us, if you understand what I mean. So it's not a literal fire, but to start and to keep things abreast. So we have to take the time out to know that, sometimes people are going to fuel us. They're going to speak about us. They're going to try to get us to answer them, but we have to avoid them sometimes at any cost, because they're trying to fuel situation to make a bigger fire. So remember that now, guys, and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And have yourselves beautiful, wonderful, lovelies, and answer a wonderful day today.
Let me get back to my statement. Me now waste my time pan Landlawd. She over her page talks on something because she a lot money. But let me tell Facebook something. I have been through a lot. And you guys know I've been through a lot with the name calling, the discrimination and slandering of my business for the past year or more. I made up on my little job. You understand? And this woman is causing a lot of problem. Me in here do my little video, the phone turn around and catch one little certificate on the wall while me doing makeup. She screenshot it and I go on. And first of all, none of these certificates don't belong to the man. All of these certificates is for the daughter. So she's lying. You understand? She's lying and whatever it is. The other day the GPS show about 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. And that's where they get the information from and stuff. She know, me I tell Erica said, let me tell you something. Me just say about Erica. Let me tell you something. Don't you fuck with Marcia for 2024. Me say, let me tell you something. Me say, any at all you creating a problem for me. Me say, let me give you a blood clot warning. Me go down a Jericho for you. You hear me I tell you? Me say, me go Africa for you. If me can't catch you by the law, me Marcia Campbell send go Africa and fuck you up. Big time. You want to call me name and can't call me name. Bet me put the camera upon this blood clot, yeah. Bet me put the camera upon this Ross, yeah. Here? Me, Marcia, blood clot ever bless. If you fuck yourself with me, for 2024 and cost me the finance. After me out there for much months, you will be the first blood clot woman me ever going to man for. I send to Africa for you and fix your pussy clot business. Me, blood clot Marcia, swear upon the Holy Bible. And that me I say. Take that with a blood clot warning. Me can't do you nothing. Like to catch you and box down your this, that, whatever. But let me tell you something. I will go to Africa for you. I will make you want to say, Marcia, your blood clot more close. I may have the money for do it. Bitch. Me have the money. If you, me, for when me see you go on with for the past 3 years, there are some people them, and you want to come interfere with my little dividends, you know how much blood clot money me lost. For whole last year, over $30,000 that I have spent to put a roof on my head. And now me add the one little temporary job, I try to get myself back in my account and fix up myself. And you did there fuck yourself with your lies or your conspiracy. Listen to me, lady. Don't let me call me hubby man Africa for you. Don't let me call me hubby man Africa for you. All right. Don't let me have a call. Don't let me call me hubby man Africa for you. Don't let me pick up this phone and call me hubby man Africa for you. Remember, say me a witch. Remember, say me a big hubby worker. Me hubby have everybody on social media. That's why them so rich. Maybe me I go to the good hubby man them. Now it look like me if I go to the bad one them now. Don't let me have to go Africa for you. For your one of Jamaica stronger than mine. Me nah ask you. A US dollar me have. And you have Jamaica money. My US dollar much stronger than for your one. Feel like a weak one. You depend on my name. Let me tell you something. Me I give you a fair warning. Me I give you a fair warning. Fear warning. You better stop your foolishness. You better stop your foolishness. Me I tell you straight up. Take your flight and go back to the pit of hell where you come from. You know say that woman is a demon. You know that. You know say that woman is a demon. I think I need to go over YouTube with this because the way that woman make me bringle, Facebook will block me again. That woman is a demon. You're past demon. Because I noticed that you love to go to a courthouse. Girl in a courthouse with you, one other girl in take a go to court. I think about how much people come take a go to court. Me now waste the money on you. Me now waste no money in a courthouse with you. There is more than one with a skin, a goat, a dog, a chicken, a bird. Me now ask you. Me now waste no money. And fly come to Jamaica, come take my good up money. Eh? You see, I would waste my time on you with carrying a courthouse. You must say mad. Anytime she over there chat her fool, make she stay with her foolishness. Make she stay with her foolishness because she's going to get herself in a serious trouble coming around with you. And this ain't no striking business people may talk about. Oh, nobody can tell themselves a strike or no strike or whatever it is. She will get to where she will get to in due time. May I tell her straight up. May I tell her, say, me now make you ruin my ear. You see how long it take me to fix my car? Because I have to spend money on myself to make sure some provide a roof over my head. And pay my rent for my new apartment where me have an organ or something there, and you trying your best for a conspiracy and tell I can lie. But man I walk in per room, I feel me up and all kind of build bullshit and all them something there. I'm telling you, yes, this is blogging word. I'm not supposed to answer you. I'm not supposed to answer you. Is what I see over there going on, I jealous over me. I'm over YouTube. I'm mad over YouTube. You never want me over there. I'm over there expose, you know. That I no problem. That is why you get so mad, because I'm over there expose, you know. Come show the people how much money I make. I don't want me over there because you see my views them gone up and my channel gone up way high. And you can pass for your views them for your number when me see from your start. It a mad you. Me not ask you. Even though me have a few little people that I watch, but my channel turn up over there. And that is what the problem is. You don't know why me over there. I get over close to 3,000 followers in less than 1 month. You couldn't do that. And no matter how, it doesn't matter what it is, my viewing them over there, them still high, said we. Them still high. And a jealousy. That's why when I come off, that's why you behave. So me not moving for over YouTube. Me not moving. I'm not going nowhere. I go and make video. When me ready to make entertainment video, when entertain me no monetize them, I put them on something. Yeah. You're delusional over there telling people about mafia and this and that and what. You somebody need to care about you. Jealousy. When it comes to jealousy, you're jealous of my channel. I'm telling you, that is what the problem is. Them jealous. All the dirty GT boy. You're jealous of my channel. You're jealous. That's why you're over there chat free. You're jealous of my channel. You're jealous of my channel. You cannot be like me. I am a star. Me and is not the same thing. People wants to hear me. Me give people good contents. I am very entertaining. I'm very enlightening. Me keep it real. And that is what it is. You never want me over YouTube. If you never want me over YouTube, then you shouldn't come get my page black over here. So when you get my page black, where you think say I was going to come? Where you think I was going to come? See my videos them over here. My video 3,000, 5,000, 9,000. This one I got 9,000. See me channel them over here, so. See my video them there. See it there? 9,000, 6,000, 5,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 9,000, 8,000. You don't jealous. You don't want me make no money. Well, me I come over there, come make my money. Me I go right over Tubi. I love over Tubi. I've been over there for over a month now. I realize I can be myself over there. Face YouTube allow me to trip up so nasty word and I still get paid for it. Because me see people cut out my video with nasty word and me see commercial lights. So me say, them cut out it with them cut out because guess what? YouTube don't understand what I'm saying. Because Jamaican language is not registered in the American dictionary as an English language. So if them don't understand what we are saying, they're going to monetize the videos. Because when me call somebody a nasty word, I may see this girl will run my videos them all the while. I share them and I say commercial I come in our video. They say, oh, okay. Me not going over there. YouTube, from me go over there, YouTube pay my phone bill and my car insurance. They pay my car insurance out of it. So I will be right there. I want to can't get me from over there. You think you know how long me make una make money off of me over there? You know how long me make una give a little free platform over there? And who know if stay at Jamaica and make money and come and boast spam people and a build up big house and big car and big something and then you that Portland sit down with your little cranny self and scam people. Me tell you everything, lady. The person who is you're getting paid. You know, from when me, I don't want to cause no controversial coming already yet. Me I wait until next 2 weeks time. Then Marcia will start up to us. Hell break loose on social media. Watch me out now. I may notice say you pick for me. Because what happened is this. Whenever she doesn't talk about me, she doesn't get no views. You see, when she doesn't call my name, Missy she do videos and she put my name on the headline. And she not discuss me much, but she put my name for draw the crowd. Them wicked. Them how to social media I write my headlines say me care my boyfriend here can't sleep. And my boyfriend live in Connecticut. This is just show you the people out there. Me care my boyfriend come sleep. Hello. Maybe 180 something. Yeah, whatever leftover it will send back to you, but shipping is expensive. Yes, I send the information with the name. Yes. Okay, thank you. I'm telling you. And when she doesn't call my name, her viewing is 1,000 something, 900. So when she call my name and talk about me, like the foolishness and the foolish, me not indulge in her, you know. But I'm gonna tell you straight up, and I swear upon my holy Bible, and my life, and CG, and my grandpit, me I tell you straight up. Any at all Erica cause any problem for me and any farmer trouble, I'm telling you people. Me not ramp with her. Me say, do you hear what I said? Me love my grandpit and my son and myself. I mean, I tell you say, let me make it clear. For what I have been through, this woman tell people if you not buy no business from me. Me see all one wake up Sunday morning and gone to Jerusalem, me here, gone expose and whatever it is. I say, I say, he might try to say how much me pay for sheet, from how much me pay for sheet. And me never been to Jerusalem. Jerusalem buy from my company. Jerusalem come and advertise and say, them have the best sheet on the market, which is mine. So that is for sure, no something no come shop with me. Jerusalem and all the others that store them, they come and they advertise and say, we have the best sheet on in here, the number one selling sheet, which is Glory Home. And that me sell. And that I have. Let me go to the show now.